Hey, thanks again for joining me. So today I want to talk about the steam cleaner I picked up from Harbor Freight. Let me just jump straight to it. You should go get it, pick it up. It's great. It's easy. It literally melts all the dirt away. So I picked it up from Harbor Freight. It goes for about $99.99. So when I was doing my research for a steam cleaner, I was checking out what was on Home Depot or Lowe's. So I came and looked at their website. I said, oh wow, it gives you a whole bunch of accessories on it and different attachments. So I said, okay, well, that's not bad. So let's see, let me check out what you can use it for. Clean the grout, clean your barbecue grill, clean your floor. So I said, okay, well, let me see what else they're talking about. So then I checked the reviews, and almost all the reviews are positive, raving, loving it. I must have clicked at least 2-3 pages of customer reviews, and they're all great. So I said, okay, good, I'm sold. So I went to my local Harbor Freight, picked it up, and let me tell you, this thing has everything. It has squeegee, window attachment, adapter, upholstery brush, small brushes, brass brushes, large brushes, jet, scrubbers, a mop, a floor cloth. It has a ton of stuff in it. So the only thing is like, okay, now I want to steam everything. I want to steam floors and grills and all types of stuff. The instructions are pretty easy to follow. They do recommend using distilled water. You definitely have to be careful when filling it up and also letting it cool down. It is under pressure. You don't want to burn yourself. But this thing has plenty of attachments. You can do stuff like hardwood floors, carpets, rugs. You can do other stuff like windows. You can clean your windows, your shower doors, your mirrors. You can do stuff like upholstery, fabric, curtains, pillows, countertops, stoves, sinks, toilets, grouts, and other spaces. So here's a quick video, a quick demo of me cleaning my grout in my kitchen. So like I said, they give you a little funnel. You put your water in it. They do recommend using, like I said, distilled water. And I think for maintenance, you do have to descale it every 3 to 6 months or so. And the instructions are all in the manual. So in here, I'm just doing a quick fill up. A typical fill up will last you about 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how much steam you're really blowing out of that thing. But it's definitely enough water in there to do any job. So here in this video, I'm going to do the grout. I'm just showing you different attachments. So you have the jet, the nylon brush, the scrubber. So that's pretty good. They give you a lot of different attachments. The back door, all the dogs come in and out. So you can imagine it gets really muddy sometimes, really dirty. So here, I'm just going to start on one little grout line to just clean that out. It shoots the steam out pretty strong, and then also you start giving a little bit of scrubbing. And I'm not really pressing that hard, but just enough to do a light scrub. And believe you me, this thing starts to really melt that dirt away. And you'll see very shortly, the grout line is night and day between the dirty side and also the clean side. Okay, so here you can see what I'm doing is just wiping off the water. When you're steaming your tile floors, you may want to grab a mop and just mop up the steam or it is damp off the tile as you go along. But here, just for demonstration, I just want to try to get close and show you night and day the clean grout here, and then you can see the dirty grout. So again, all you're using is 212 degrees of steam. That's it. Water, no chemicals, no fuss. You kill germs, and it's again, you should go pick it up. So I highly recommend it. Thanks again for joining me. Please subscribe, like, share, and be on the lookout for more videos. Take care.